The FreeStyle Libre 3 sensor is so small and discreet, I hardly notice I'm wearing it. And removing and replacing a sensor is easy.
You can wear a sensor for up to 14 days, and the app will tell you when it's time to replace it. To take off the used sensor, pull up the adhesive's edge and slowly peel it away in one motion. See the package insert for how to dispose of your sensor and applicator. To put on a new sensor, find a new site on the upper part of your opposite arm. Remember to rotate sites between applications. Before unscrewing the cap from the sensor applicator, follow these steps to prepare the back of the upper arm. Wash the application site with plain soap and water. Wipe dry with a clean towel. Clean with an alcohol wipe and let air dry. Following these 3 easy steps helps ensure the sensor stays on your skin. After you have finished preparing the back of your upper arm, you are ready to apply the sensor. The FreeStyle Libre 3 sensor and applicator already come assembled for you. Simply unscrew the cap and set it aside. Do not put the cap back on, as it may damage the sensor. Place the sensor applicator over the prepared site on the back of your upper arm and push down firmly to apply the sensor to your body. The sensor should now be attached to your skin. Then make sure the sensor is secure by gently pressing down with your finger around the edge. To start a new sensor, you'll need to scan it with your smartphone. From the app home screen or from the app's menu, tap Scan New Sensor. Your phone is now ready to scan the sensor to start it. Touch the sensor with the top of your phone slowly. Things like proximity, orientation, and phone cases can affect scanning. If needed, slowly move the phone around. You will receive a tone and vibration after you have successfully started the sensor. It's that easy.